Look at this, you guys. We had a big storm here over through the night, and we had trees falling down all around us. Yes, sir. So, my ATV was sitting right there. I'm glad it didn't go completely through the house. I come down any further because the branches would have did some damage to the two-up seat. Probably some plastic, but as you can see, it uprooted the whole tree and did quite a bit of damage. Still a little windy out. Oh, there goes another tree. You know, it's really sad that 50-mile-an-hour winds is what we had. Well, I guess it was a little over 52. It was 52-mile-an-hour winds, and we had trees snapping and crashing all around us. Like you can see, we got trees out there all around us. None fell on the property but this one, thankfully. But you could hear them all through the woods just smashing and crashing, and it wasn't pretty. As you can hear there was a tree that's breaking now. You can't see way over there, but there's a tree right here. It's leaning over. There's a couple of them. But yeah, there's a huge popple right here that I'm quite worried about. It's leaning right towards my power lines that goes across here and the mast. So you see, if that comes down, it's going to hit my vehicles. Hey, we got a little bit of snow flurry going on here too. But yeah, I'm going to see if they can remove the popple. Maybe cut some of these trees back out of here, because this is the results of trees being close to your house, especially this kind. They're no good. And normally what happens with these trees, tops will die, the root system don't go down deep enough, so they just uproot. Yeah, there's a lot of shit that goes on with them trees, and they're no good. They're just messy. The pine needle and the needles all fall over your vehicles, and get this cleared out. Get this gone. All see, maybe you can see that tree now. You can see, come on, tree right there leaning over. There's a few in there that's snapping. They'll probably come crashing down. They're not falling on my property, so, well, property goes over to quite a ways, but they're not falling on the vehicles or the house like this sucker did. That's a big tree. So we get a roof repair to do. Gonna be quite a little procedure. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to show you that nonsense. That's just complete outrage. But tomorrow, that tree's gonna be gone, and the repair starts Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday rain. So it's gotta be fixed. Oh boy, what next? Should I even say that? Oh, they got the lights up down there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Oh, and I got something else to share with you. That would be the 36 to 42 inch I'm going to do a review on this light. I'm going to talk about what's going on and how come I got that light. I also have this is the 600 model, AA600, Aqua Air 600, and I have the Aqua Air AA300. As you can see, some reason that light is still on. Ooh, not supposed to be. Why are you still on? Specials is at 1, and whites is at 22, so I did something wrong. I gotta fix that. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show you that little pain in the ass outside. And more to come on these lights. And why I have this light. Let's just say free.